What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the Y-strap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. Oh my god. So how are we feeling today?
Not bad.
Okay. Not terrible. Just that left shoulder a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna start with some heat. How's the low back doing?
It's decent.
Are you practicing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, those are deep.
Well, she can get to him.
I gotta put all my body weight into them. Go chin up one time, and then relax, relax. Okay. Yeah, chin up again still, and then relax around your chin. Good. It's gonna fall off.
That's alright. Cause it's mop on my head.
Just gonna keep it going.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom, boom. Flip over on your back. Oh wait, we're actually gonna go over there in the chair.
Right there?
Alright, kick your feet out.
Yeah.
Hands down to your side, just let them relax down. Left. Okay, do it yourself, right? Left. Okay, still right side still. Okay. Alright, go ahead and do this one first. Okay. Let the head just fall. Good. Good.
Yeah.
Definitely looser than it was. You were terrible before. Let that head just relax. There you go. Good. Nice. Good. Alright. Alright, we're gonna go over here and do your low back. Low back hasn't been too bad.
Honestly, no. Like, not like, yeah. Not bad at all.
Tuck this one underneath. There you go. Let this go back. Not terrible.
This is the money maker right here. I don't know why.
Tuck under a little bit. There you go. Left shoulder. Let this relax.
Already here.
I know it's far. There it went. Good. Alright. Come sit here.
On the sit there?
Yep, sit, face the wall.
Like straight? Oh, straight.
Sit there, face that wall. What's up straight? Yeah, I think it's more, I think you probably just strain this supraspinatus muscle a little bit. Any pain points in there at all?
Mm-mm.
Here. In the back. Sit up straight, sit up straight. There you go. Nothing in there?
I mean, not crazy.
How about here?
It's tender.
Tender.
Yeah.
Okay, let this arm just kind of relax. Relax, let it fall like it's going to fall. There you go. Let it relax, let it relax. Is that her going up?
No. Nah, that did.
That does? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We're just smashing that AC joint down, so it's probably just got some inflammation there. There's also a bursa in there that could be caught, you know, getting inflammation and swelling, so
That's fucking.
I mean, you flew off the tube, so definitely could be from that plus the little bit of injury. I don't know which one happened first, so
Yeah.
let's just go ahead and see here. Just let this relax, let this relax. Be a nice little bear hug here. Relax, relax. A little more. Okay, good. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, I think that's kind of what's going on. So.
Alright, yeah, because that,
All right.
that hurt.
Yeah.
Bleep. That hurts. Yeah, because like I said, like, when we were doing
Have you done anything since then? Like,
no, man, like
since you went to reach for that ball, did you?
No, I mean,
have
like
you played since then
yeah,
or anything?
Yeah, and it's
Okay.
like it doesn't hurt all the time, but like it's just like that one random motion when I do that. And then like yesterday when we were doing, or like when I was in the pool and I was laying on a float and I was like, oh, and I was just like kicked back to relax and I couldn't even lay like this because it killed.
Yeah, and you're guarding towards it too. So, have you iced it at all?
No.
Throw some ice on it. Just start getting that inflammation down.
Okay.
And then we'll see kind of how things go in the next.
Like some
week or so.
ibuprofen too, or?
If you want, I mean, I would just stick with the ice. Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the Y-strap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find your relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.